Today we're up on a repair that we're doing on a stone chimney. What we have is we've got cedar shingles. We have our protector that's down there to make sure that the damage doesn't incur as we're doing our repair processes. Specialty scaffolding that's going to give us the access that we need to get up to do our chimney work. That's one thing we really pride ourselves on, is making sure that areas that maybe you can't see as the homeowner don't get damaged. We really care about every level of what we do, that when we come on to your job site, to your home, that we're treating it with care and respect. Even though we're doing invasive work, we can be delicate to your property. Look forward to coming to help you at one of your new projects, whether it's something to do with chimneys, fireplaces, outdoor living. We have skilled people on staff that can help you out with all of that. You can visit us at fcpros.com or follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter.